Going to see the Ramanujan summation of series where he proved it that sum of all the natural numbers is your negative 1 by 12. Practically, which is not possible because 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. That is, you can say the series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. It's a divergent series. But we will see how he proved it that sum of all this is your negative 1 by 12. So let us start here. For this, we are going to consider three series. The first is you consider the series A, which is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus and so on. Now see, from here 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. That way if you see it is entirely 0. But if we write like this a 1 minus, then it is 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus so on. So 1 minus here within bracket all the sign will be reversed. That way we can write this. Then what happens? 1 minus, this is nothing but again a. It's an infinite series and it is also infinite series. So it is 1 minus a. So from here what you will get? Twice of a equals to 1, which gives you a equals to 1 by 2. This we obtained here, a equals to 1 by 2. Next, we are going to consider a second series, that is your b. Then let b equals to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus and so on. This second series we have to consider and we considered it. Now what we are going to do? A minus b. From this series, just subtract this series. Then a minus b equals to. If you want, you can directly subtract it. 1 minus 1. That will be your 1 minus 1. Then plus, it is negative 1. Then it will be plus 2. Then here it is plus 1 only. 1 minus 3. Then plus and so on. Then here what comes, you see, it is 0, then it is plus 1, then it is minus 2, then alternately you can say plus 3, minus 4, plus and so on. It means again you get the series B here. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, that way. So you can write here 0 plus, this is nothing but the series B. Therefore, what you have obtained, A minus B equals to B. Let me write here. So finally, you obtain from here A minus B is your B. A minus B equal to B. Now see, that is twice B is equals to what? Twice B equals to A, and value of A is already 1 by 2. So that is nothing but twice B equals to 1 by 2 implies B equals to 1 by 4. So see, A is 1 by 2 and B you obtained as 1 by 4. Next we are going to consider the last series, that is say C, by capital letter C. We are going to name it. Now the C is nothing but the main series. This you have to consider as C. Then let me write here. Next, let C equals to this 1 plus, whose sum you are going to find out. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so on. This is your C. Then you just calculate B minus C. At first A we considered, Then from the same series A we obtained as 1 by 2. Then another series B we have to consider. B is your 1 minus 2 that way. Then we calculated A minus B, and from there we obtained the value of B. Now we will consider the sum of all natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 so on. And now we have to find out the difference of the series B minus C. Then you see, B is this, C is this. If you calculate B minus C, so directly we can write 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. It is your minus 2 plus 2. Then let me write plus sign here. My negative 2 minus 2 plus third term 3 minus 3. Here it is 3 minus 3. Then plus, take it as negative 4. Negative 4 minus, here it is 4. Then plus, here it is 5, and here it is plus 5, so minus 5. And if you consider this also, so plus, here it is negative 6, so write negative 6 minus 6 plus so on, it is continued like this way. Then what is 1 minus 1? 0. Here you will get minus 4, here plus 0, here you will get minus 8, here it is 0, next is your minus 12 and plus so on. Now you see, here we will get minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus so on. Final step, take minus 4 common, 1 plus, then negative 4 common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. I think it's clear to all of you, this value will come. And this is nothing but the series C, you see. This is your C. So you can write minus 4, this is your series C. Then finally you got B minus C equals to minus of 4C. From here, let us write minus C plus 4C equal to, do one thing here, it is your B equal to C, transpose it to the right side, then it will be C minus 4C. After this, B is equals to minus of 3C. Therefore, B is equal to negative 3 into, and what was your C? It was already calculated. Then you have to put the value of, C we need to find out, because C is your sum of the natural number. Here you do one thing, C is your minus 1/3 of B. Now you see here, B is what? 1 by 4. So C is equals to negative 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, that is your minus 1 by 12. So finally, you obtain C is equals to minus 1 by 12. C is your 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to infinity is minus 1 by 12. So this way it was proved, that is known as Ramanujan's sum of divergent series. Actually, it is practically not possible. In next video, we will try to discuss why it is not possible. Thank you.